Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of at-home pizza ovens with the Pizzacraft Pizzeria Pronto. This compact, gas-powered oven promises to bring the pizzeria experience right to your backyard or patio. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Pizzacraft Pizzeria Pronto is designed for simplicity and affordability. It's marketed as a budget-friendly alternative to higher-end models like those from Gosni and Uni, priced competitively at under $300. Starting with its design, the Pizzeria Pronto is compact and portable, weighing just 26 pounds. It's equipped with a built-in pizza stone and operates on a standard propane tank, making it easy to set up almost anywhere outdoors. The overall build quality feels sturdy, though it lacks the sleek aesthetics of more premium models. Assembly is straightforward and can be completed in about 10 minutes. The most challenging part is attaching the gas hookup and heating mechanism. But the instructions are clear and manageable even for those less inclined toward DIY projects. Now, let's talk performance. The Pizzacraft Pizzeria Pronto boasts a quick heat-up time, reaching temperatures up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit in about 20 minutes. This rapid heating is crucial for achieving that crispy, Neapolitan-style crust that pizza enthusiasts crave. During our testing, we made several pizzas using homemade dough. The oven handled different crust thicknesses and toppings well, consistently delivering pizzas in about 5 to 6 minutes. It's worth noting the oven's small opening, which can be a bit restrictive when loading pizzas, but it helps in maintaining temperature stability. So, should you consider the Pizzacraft Pizzeria Pronto for your pizza-making adventures? Drop your answers in the comments. Absolutely, especially if you're looking for an entry-level option that won't break the bank. It's ideal for casual home use and delivers on its promise of tasty, homemade pizzas with minimal fuss. That wraps up our review of the Pizzacraft Pizzeria Pronto. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.